channel. Hope you all are amazing. So we all are in lockdown, working from home, attending virtual meetings from comfort of our home in PJs. That's the new normal. But I still think it's equally important to look professional, polished and presentable. Nobody likes to see a face with swollen eyes and unkempt hair. That is just weird. So in today's video, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial for our virtual meetings. So this is going to be super quick and easy breezy makeup. I just want to enhance few features of my face so that I look presentable and yet natural. So yeah, let's get started. I have moisturized my face and lips, and the first product that we are going to use is a BB cream. This is from Garnier. If you have watched my office look, then you must be knowing that I love wearing BB creams for daily makeups. I really don't go for concealers and foundations because I don't have like crazy dark circles, and BB cream works just fine to give me that little coverage that I'm looking for daily wear. Now you can apply your BB cream with a brush that is quicker than this, but I really like applying base products with the beauty sponge. I just love this BB cream from Garnier. It is too good for my dry skin. It's not very thick and has a runny consistency, so it blends with my face really nicely, and yeah, it does not look cakey or some layer on my face. Now I will set up this creamy product with the help of a compact, and today I'm using this one from Maybelline Fit Me range, and just taking it with a brush, and I'm just setting my face very lightly with this one. I'm done with my base. That's it. You can still see my pigmentation, but they are not crazy and I look fine. I don't need full coverage foundations or concealer, but still if you need more coverage or want to cover your pigmentation area, you can go ahead with your concealer. I really wanted to look very natural and effortless, because seriously it's not even practical to spend more than 10 minutes to do your face for a virtual Zoom meeting. So next up is eyebrows, because I think eyebrows change the makeup game completely. They bring so much to the face that I don't recommend you skipping this. So for eyebrows today, I'm using my usual from Innisfree. So guys, if you have not watched my makeup look for office, then I will give a link somewhere on the screen, and I would want you to watch it because I like that video. I really like, you know, natural everyday kind of makeup. To give a pop to my eyes, I'm using little bit mascara, and this is from Maybelline Total Temptation. So for lipstick, I have two options. One is this one. This is from L'Oreal, Color Rich Matte in the shade Maple Mocha. It is very nice, a brown nude. The second is from Smashbox. The shade is Driver's Seat. I really love this, but I haven't used this in such a long time, so I'll be going with this today. I cannot imagine any look without a lipstick, or at least some tint on my lips. So yes. This is looking so beautiful on my face. So I now really love blushed cheeks. Even for my office makeup earlier, I used to do a full blush. If it is too much for you, you can skip it, but I like it. I will be just using the same lipstick on my cheeks like this, on my nose, and I'll just blend this up nicely. quickly taking a beauty blender and just blending it nicely. Did you see how much change that blush brought to my face? I'm feeling as if I have done my regular makeup. So I love this. That is why I love applying blushes. So yes, blush is totally acing the game. It changed my look completely. So guys, that was the look for virtual meetings. Even if you don't have any meeting to attend but you want to glam up your work from home mood a little bit, you can also do this makeup and feel fresh and good. So in total we used just 5 products to do this look, and this is so practical, so easy, and literally will take you 5 minutes to do. I really hope you like it. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.